Connect the myAirvo 2 power cord into a power outlet. If you are using supplementary oxygen, make sure the oxygen source is turned off at this point. Switch on your myAirvo 2 by pressing and holding the on-off button for 5 seconds. Your device will begin to warm up. You will see a warm-up symbol on the screen. If you are using supplementary oxygen, connect the output from the oxygen source to the oxygen inlet port on the side of your device. Ensure the oxygen tube is firmly pushed onto this connection port. You can now turn on the oxygen source and set it to the flow rate prescribed by your physician. While waiting for your device to warm up, fit the patient interface. When the Ready for Use symbol appears on the display, connect the patient interface to the air spiral tube. Attach the interface to the air spiral tube by simply pushing the two connectors together until you hear a click. When you first use your device, the air will feel warm. Continue to breathe normally. The myAirvo 2 can be used with a variety of patient interfaces. Before attaching your patient interface, you must read the separate user manual, including all warnings. If your device has an issue, it will sound an alarm and show an alarm message. The screen will turn yellow and may flash. The message will show details of what may be causing the alarm. The alarm can be muted by pressing the mute button. For example, here an alarm was raised because the air spiral tube was not properly connected. The device suggested checking the tube, and reconnecting the tube resolved this issue. Once resolved, the alarm will stop, and your device will go back into ready-to-use mode.